What happens if a school does not follow a 500 for plan? Breaking news for parents and guardians. A pressing question many are asking right now is, what happens if a school does not follow a 500 for plan? This topic is gaining attention as families navigate the complexities of education and disability rights. If you are concerned about your child's educational access, you are not alone. When a school fails to follow a student's 500 for plan, it means they are not providing the necessary accommodations. This can lead to a lack of equal access to education, which is required by Section 500 of the Rehabilitation Act. The impact on a student's educational experience can be significant. Parents and guardians have options to address this issue. First, they can request a meeting with school officials. This meeting can help clarify the implementation of the 500 for plan and ensure that accommodations are being provided. If the situation does not improve, families can file a complaint with the school district. They can also reach out to the Office for Civil Rights within the United States Department of Education. This office is responsible for enforcing Section 500 and can initiate an investigation into the school's practices. Some states or districts may offer mediation or other dispute resolution methods. Although Section 500 does not have the same due process procedures as an individualized education program, these options can help resolve conflicts. In more serious cases, families may consider legal action. If a school consistently fails to meet its obligations under Section 500 legal remedies may be necessary. This can be a daunting step, but it is important to protect a child's rights. Not following a 500 for plan can be viewed as discrimination based on disability. Schools have a responsibility to provide the necessary accommodations to remove barriers to learning. Failure to do so can lead to complaints and investigations by civil rights authorities. It is essential to understand that Section 500 does not provide for independent educational evaluations at public expense. Additionally, not all districts are required to have formal grievance procedures. However, schools with more than 15 employees must designate a 500 for coordinator. This person is responsible for ensuring compliance with the law. In summary, if a school does not follow a 500 for plan, it can have serious consequences for the student and the school's legal obligations. Families should advocate for proper implementation and utilize available options to ensure their child's rights are protected.